Did you know that something as simple as a pumpkin could drastically improve your health? Yes, we're talking about that familiar orange fruit that many people only think of during fall. But have you ever wondered why pumpkin is celebrated globally, and what makes it more than just a seasonal decoration or pie ingredient? Today we'll uncover the remarkable history, nutritional value, and wide-ranging health benefits of pumpkin, showing you why this superfood deserves a permanent place in your diet. Pumpkin is one of the oldest domesticated plants, with its history tracing back over 7,500 years to the Americas. Archaeological evidence suggests that the earliest pumpkins were not like the sweet varieties we enjoy today. They were smaller, tougher, and less flavorful. Indigenous peoples in what is now Mexico began cultivating pumpkins long before the arrival of Europeans. They recognized the pumpkin's durability and nutritional value, using it as a vital food source, especially during the harsh winter months. When Christopher Columbus brought pumpkin seeds back to Europe in the late 15th century, it spread across continents and became a popular food ingredient in various cultures. By the 17th century, pumpkins were commonly used in both Europe and North America. In fact, the early American colonists made pumpkin pie long before it became the iconic Thanksgiving dish. They relied on pumpkins to survive, using the flesh for food and even the shells to create storage containers. Today, pumpkins are grown worldwide, with the largest producers being the United States, China, India, and Mexico. Now that we've traveled through the history of pumpkin, let's dive into what makes it a nutritional powerhouse. Whether roasted, pureed, or eaten as seeds, pumpkin offers a range of benefits that contribute to your overall health. One of the standout features of pumpkin is its high vitamin A content. A single cup of cooked pumpkin provides 245% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health and immune function. Beta-carotene, the antioxidant responsible for pumpkin's bright orange color, converts to vitamin A in the body, and also helps to protect against UV damage and free radicals, slowing down the aging process. Vitamin C is another crucial component found in pumpkins, playing a vital role in immune health, skin repair, and the production of collagen, which maintains skin elasticity and prevents wrinkles. Pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and promotes healthy, glowing skin. But pumpkin's benefits don't stop there. It's packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. In fact, studies show that diets rich in potassium can reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. With its combination of fiber, magnesium, and zinc, pumpkin is a true superfood for maintaining cardiovascular health. One of the most sought-after benefits of pumpkin is its ability to improve skin health. Pumpkin is often included in skincare products due to its antioxidant properties, which help fight skin damage and slow the aging process. The beta-carotene found in pumpkin helps protect your skin from harmful UV rays, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. If consumed regularly, it can boost your skin's natural glow, making you look more youthful and radiant. Moreover, pumpkin is rich in enzymes and alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs, which exfoliate dead skin cells and encourage the production of new skin cells. Not only can eating pumpkin promote healthier skin from the inside out, but topical pumpkin treatments, such as pumpkin masks, have become a trendy way to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. These masks help to soften the skin, improve its texture, and provide lasting moisture. Digestive health and weight management. Pumpkin is not only nutrient-dense but also low in calories, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their weight. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains just 49 calories, making it a satisfying and nutritious option for those watching their caloric intake. Thanks to its high fiber content, pumpkin can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to overeat and promoting healthy digestion. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Eating pumpkin regularly can contribute to a healthier gut, which is essential for absorbing nutrients and maintaining overall well-being. Additionally, diets rich in fiber have been linked to a reduced risk of developing colon cancer and other digestive disorders. Heart health and blood pressure regulation. A healthy heart is the foundation of a healthy life, and pumpkin can play an essential role in promoting cardiovascular health. Thanks to its combination of potassium, magnesium, and fiber, pumpkin helps to keep your blood pressure in check, which in turn reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Potassium is a key nutrient for regulating blood pressure, as it counteracts the effects of sodium in the body. When you consume potassium-rich foods like pumpkin, it helps relax the blood vessels and improve circulation, leading to better blood pressure control. Moreover, the antioxidants in pumpkin, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, work together to prevent the buildup of harmful cholesterol in your arteries. This reduces inflammation and the risk of developing atherosclerosis, a condition that can lead to heart attacks and other heart-related issues. Immune system support and disease prevention. Pumpkin's impressive levels of vitamin C and antioxidants make it a natural choice for supporting your immune system. Consuming pumpkin regularly can strengthen your body's defenses against illness, helping you fight off common colds and infections more effectively. In addition to immune support, the high antioxidant content found in pumpkin helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating pumpkin into your diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to prevent disease and maintain long-term health. As more people have become interested in nutrition and wellness, pumpkin has earned its place among the most popular superfoods. Thanks to its nutrient density and the variety of ways it can be incorporated into the diet, pumpkin is often recommended by dietitians, nutritionists, and fitness experts alike. Pumpkin is not just rich in vitamins and minerals, it's also a low-calorie, high-fiber option, making it perfect for those seeking to manage their weight or improve digestion. As more studies reveal the links between a fiber-rich diet and reduced risk of diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and colon cancer, pumpkin has become a go-to ingredient for health-conscious individuals. For people following plant-based or vegan diets, pumpkin provides a wealth of nutrients including iron, magnesium, and vitamin A, which can sometimes be harder to get from other sources. It's also a great source of complex carbohydrates, offering slow-releasing energy without spiking blood sugar levels. This makes pumpkin an ideal food for individuals with diabetes or those seeking to stabilize their blood sugar. In recent years, you may have noticed pumpkin appearing in smoothie bowls, protein shakes, and even energy bars. This trend reflects a growing recognition of pumpkin's natural sweetness, and the fact that it's a great alternative to higher-calorie processed ingredients. Pumpkin puree can be used as a base for a smoothie, replacing sugary fruit juices or sweeteners, while still adding a pleasant flavor and thick texture. Additionally, combining pumpkin with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger brings out its natural sweetness, which is why it's frequently used in fall-flavored recipes, from lattes to oatmeal. We can't talk about the benefits of pumpkin without mentioning its seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a highly nutritious snack and can be eaten roasted, raw, or added to salads, yogurt, or baked goods. Pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and zinc, and they offer an array of health benefits from improving heart health to supporting better sleep and mental health. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains nearly 7 grams of protein, making them an excellent plant-based protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Additionally, the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds help reduce inflammation in the body, support brain health, and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. They are also a potent source of magnesium, which is essential for bone health, muscle function, and energy production. Many people, particularly older adults, don't get enough magnesium in their diet, but consuming pumpkin seeds can help fill that gap. In fact, pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, providing nearly 40% of the daily recommended intake in just a quarter-cup serving. For men, pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial due to their high zinc content, which plays a crucial role in prostate health. Studies have shown that zinc deficiencies can lead to an increased risk of prostate problems, so incorporating pumpkin seeds into the diet can help mitigate this risk. Zinc is also vital for immune health, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Another surprising benefit of pumpkin seeds is their role in promoting better sleep. They are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and eventually melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Snacking on a handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening, especially when combined with a carbohydrate source like fruit, can increase serotonin production and help you fall asleep more easily. Pumpkin has also long been recognized in traditional medicine for its healing properties. In many indigenous cultures, pumpkin was used to treat a variety of ailments, from intestinal worms to inflammation. The seeds, in particular, were known for their ability to treat parasites in the digestive tract. In traditional Chinese medicine, Pumpkin is considered a warming food that supports digestion and boosts energy. It is often recommended for individuals with weak digestion, bloating, or chronic fatigue. Because of its high fiber content and gentle nature, pumpkin is used to help balance stomach acid levels and soothe the digestive system. Pumpkin soup is often given to individuals recovering from illness to strengthen their digestive fire and nourish the body. In modern wellness, pumpkin is frequently praised for its detoxifying properties. Due to its high fiber and water content, pumpkin can help support the body's natural detox processes, flushing out toxins and improving liver function. Pumpkin is also included in many detox diets and cleanses for its ability to promote regular bowel movements and ease digestive discomfort. Beyond internal health, pumpkin is often used externally as well. Pumpkin seed oil has become a popular skincare ingredient due to its rich concentration of fatty acids and antioxidants. It helps to hydrate the skin, reduce redness, and fight signs of aging. Some people also use pumpkin seed oil to nourish and strengthen their hair, as its nutrients can improve scalp health and stimulate hair growth. While pumpkin is often associated with pies and lattes in Western cultures, its uses extend far beyond desserts. Throughout the world, pumpkin is a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. In Mexico, pumpkins are used to make calabaza en tacha, a traditional dessert where the pumpkin is cooked with cinnamon and sugar. India has a long history of using pumpkin in savory dishes like pumpkin curry, where it is cooked with spices such as cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. In Japan, kabocha, a type of pumpkin, is often steamed or roasted and served as a side dish, and it's known for its naturally sweet flavor. The United States is famous for its pumpkin pies, but recently, more people are incorporating pumpkin into a variety of dishes, including soups, salads, and even smoothies. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are popular snacks worldwide, providing a crunchy, nutritious addition to many meals. They are an excellent source of healthy fats, protein, and zinc, making them ideal for boosting brain function and supporting reproductive health. In Thailand, pumpkin is often included in the preparation of curries and soups. A popular dish is pumpkin Thai red curry, where the natural sweetness of pumpkin pairs perfectly with the bold, spicy flavors of red curry paste and coconut milk. In Italy, pumpkin has long been celebrated as a luxurious ingredient, especially in the northern regions. One of the most famous Italian dishes featuring pumpkin is tortelli di zucca, which is ravioli stuffed with pumpkin, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and spices. This dish is typically served with a sage and butter sauce, allowing the sweet and savory flavors of the pumpkin to shine. Pumpkin risotto, or risotto alla zucca, is another beloved Italian dish, often paired with herbs and a touch of cream. In South America, particularly in countries like Argentina and Brazil, pumpkin is frequently used in hearty stews like locro and calabaza soup. These dishes are perfect for cold winter nights and combine pumpkin with a variety of other vegetables, beans, and meats. The result is a thick, nourishing meal that is both delicious and filling. Even in Africa, pumpkin is widely consumed in many countries. In Kenya and Uganda, pumpkin is commonly boiled or steamed and served as a side dish with the staple meal of maize porridge known as ugali. In West Africa, pumpkins are sometimes added to peanut-based stews to enhance the flavor and nutritional content, and their seeds are also roasted and consumed as snacks. In Australia and New Zealand, pumpkin has become a popular ingredient in roasted vegetable salads and soups. The sweet, nutty flavor of roasted pumpkin pairs wonderfully with ingredients like feta cheese, quinoa, and spinach in salads, making it a staple of modern healthy eating in these regions. Australians also love their pumpkin in a classic pumpkin soup, which is often pureed and served with crusty bread. As we've explored, pumpkin is far more than just a symbol of fall. It's a nutritional powerhouse that provides incredible benefits for your entire body. From its ability to boost your immune system, improve heart health, and aid in digestion, to promoting weight loss and giving you healthy, glowing skin, pumpkin truly deserves its title as a superfood. And don't forget about the humble pumpkin seeds, which offer a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc, contributing to everything from better sleep to stronger bones. Let's also not forget the variety of pumpkins available. The classic sugar pumpkin is perfect for pies and purees, while butternut squash, a close relative, adds a rich, sweet flavor to soups and stews. Kabocha is ideal for roasting, and Hubbard squash makes a perfect choice for mashing or adding to savory dishes. Each variety brings its own unique taste and texture to the table, offering endless possibilities for your meals. So whether you're cooking up a delicious soup, baking a sweet treat, or adding roasted pumpkin to your salads, there are countless ways to incorporate this versatile fruit into your diet and reap the rewards for your health. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of pumpkin and want to discover more ways to live a healthier, more vibrant life, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We invite you to watch the next video right now, where we'll dive deeper into more tips and insights for better health and well-being. Don't miss out. Watch the next video and stay on the path to a healthier you.